Why do the vast majority of intraday traders fail no matter how hard they try? In this video, we'll show you that it all comes down to 3 ideas, 2 steps, and 1 thing that too many traders miss or forget. So if you're a struggling intraday trader, you'll want to pay very close attention to our newest video for the trading community. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're a long-standing proprietary trading firm in New York City with numerous highly successful traders, almost all of whom started their trading careers with SMB. Grab a pen and a notebook for valuable trading lessons to potentially grow your trading account.
Failing as a trader. We work so closely with our traders because we want them to grow. We need them to grow. That's how our desk grows. There's not a single person who's earned a spot on our desk that we don't see a path for them to become a 7 or an 8-figure trader. You know, we never leave a discussion about a potential new hire or one of our traders without seeing the 2 or 3 ways they could become an elite level trader. That said, we don't see everybody make it there. We see traders suffer and struggle. We see traders early in their careers, traders in the middle of their careers, even traders who've put up record years struggle. They hold themselves back from their dreams, from being who we believe and they believe they are capable of becoming. Really, from becoming a living hero in their own story. So why do traders fail? Why are there all sorts of ridiculous numbers about the failure rate of traders, particularly prop traders or intraday traders? Why is it perceived to be so hard, such a long shot, even for people who love markets, love trading, and have passion for it? Why will so many people say that this is just a really hard game? Why will people not stick with it? Really, at every level, why will people struggle? In my experience, in my opinion, and from what I've seen on the desk, it's not about your circumstances, and it's not about your resources. It's about how effectively you are using and implementing a very simple system. A system that's built around 3 ideas, 2 steps, and just 1 thing. What's interesting, and what might cause some of the struggle, is that too many traders miss or just forget to use this simple system every day. So 3, 2, 1, go. 3 ideas. Why are you a trader? Where is your edge in markets? And how can you help everyone around you get better? Answering the questions that we just asked, those 3 ideas will help you understand how to move forward. 2 steps. First, commit to identifying the number 1 thing holding you back right now. Honest answers from the questions above, the questions we just talked about, can lead you there. But then honestly, you have to prioritize those answers and make sure that you get a clear number 1, that clear number 1 thing that's holding you back right now. 2, don't tolerate that holding you back anymore. Create a roadmap, a game plan, a system to eliminate that number 1 thing. Then use determination, grit, and perseverance to follow through on just eliminating this 1 problem. 1 thing. So trading and really life is going to present endless opportunities for growth and development. Some people will call these just distractions, and they can be if you allow them to be. But if you start each trading day with a 2-minute review of that roadmap we just created, that game plan. If you just review those 2 steps for eliminating the number one thing holding you back from becoming who you are meant to become, who you and others may believe you're capable of becoming. 2 minutes reviewing that. And then follow through with action. You've created a very simple system, a simple goal, a simple roadmap that we all can use to move forward. And when we move forward, what do we do next? We repeat this process and we systematically use the resources that are available to us in order to continue moving forward. 3, 2, 1, go.
So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus trading off of a laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of S&B Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training. That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with SMB to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part, you don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.